As it was on the bench, I thought I would have another look at this fake gramophone. These have been around for quite a while, and it's easy to dismiss them as worthless junk. However, they do have some interesting features. The cases and horns are fake, however many people talk about the motors being taken from old portable gramophones. But is this really the case? Let's have a look at what's in this one. On the face of it, this is a Garrard 30 motor, which is a very nice 2-spring motor made from the 1930s to the 1950s. However, the more I look at it, the more I wonder if this is fake too. Okay, so what makes me suspicious? I don't have another Garrard 30, but I will compare it against the Garrard 14 from my Celebro Portable, which is similar. Both types were introduced about 1930. Firstly, there is just a general poor finish of the motor. The stamp parts have rough edges, the main casting has rough spots, and the engraving on the bottom is indistinct. The top of the spindle, which is an integral part of the motor, is also very crudely finished. Looking more closely at the fixings, genuine Garrard screws almost always have a slightly domed head. These ones are all flat. The screws which adjust the alignment of the governor are supposed to have knurled heads. The knurling on these is very crude and seems to be moulded on. The screws attaching the governor weights also seem to be dual flathead and crosshead, which doesn't seem right to me. I've also noticed that there seems to be a stack of washers underneath the spring barrel. I would have expected that to be a properly machined part. It's also worth looking at what's not there. As far as I know, Garrard motors were always sold with the turntable and winding handle. If this was a motor taken from an old machine, why then are both these parts replacements? These fake machines always seem to have red felt, whereas blue was a much more common colour at the time. The turntable is also not of the same quality as an original Garrard and lacks the maker's mark. I found some videos on YouTube showing machines like this being assembled as late as 2017 with this type of motor. I'll put some links in the description. It's quite clear from the videos that many dozens of machines are being assembled in just this one workshop, obviously from standard parts brought in from elsewhere. Now it is of course possible that these motors are unused late production examples, maybe not of the same quality as the original ones, but genuine nevertheless. However, it's also possible, and to my mind more interesting, to think that somewhere there is a factory still turning out Garrard 30 motors. These aren't the only type of motors fitted. I plan to look further into this in a future video. Please let me know if you have any additional information. That's it for now though. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next one. Bye for now.